I've been looking around for some purple shampoo now. So this is the purple shampoo that I got. Plan is to show you guys how I bleach my knots. Also wanted to show you guys that you can do it too. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Also, I'm on my way to get my hair done. Well, I need to go. I'm about to be late. And I wanted to show you a before and after. So I'll be back once my hair is done. Hey guys, I'm back like I never left. In today's video is gonna be something different. Alright, yeah, my phone is connected to my car, so bear with me. Your girl is at 200 subscribers. We're gonna celebrate that because that's a big deal. Oh yes, Coco Renee TV is at 201 subscribers. I am so happy because I mean, when you literally start from zero, and I'm genuinely trying to gravitate and gain real subscribers. I don't want any fake subscribers. I want real subscribers. I want people who want to watch my videos, who going to talk their shit, and you know, vibe out. So with that being said, 200 subscribers is really a big deal for me. So let's talk about the videos that reached over 1K views. Over 1K views with my most popular uploads. Okay, so
my very detailed frontal wig installed, my body brown glueless 32x7 HD lace photo review, and then how to stay active during COVID-19. The Miami Beach travel vlog, traveling during COVID, is at 903 views. So
yeah, we are moving along. So shout out to my subscribers, shout out to my gang that is supporting me, especially shout out to my mama who's always telling me, girl, you ain't put no new videos out. So thank you for keeping me accountable for the things that I say that I want to do. Yeah, we moving along, and I did a new little banner. I have a couple of active orders. I got a new intro coming. I have some new thumbnails coming, and also I've been working with someone to help me market my video and promote them. So we're gonna see how that work out, and we're gonna keep rocking because I've tried. Like, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, and when I tell you I've done things step by step and still haven't seen any progress. And I don't know if people just be saying stuff to make videos, but they be leaving out like all of the good stuff. Like, if they tell you something about Fiverr, go check it out yourself. Like, literally, I was scared at first last year, but now I'm really focusing on my marketing, not only with YouTube, not only with Coco Renee TV, but with Empower Styles, my business. I'm officially a loan signing agent. Your girl passed her exam. We're about to go on that journey, so stay tuned. I know I know people be like, you gotta find your niche, but you know what? I am my niche, okay? I am the niche, okay? I get ready for the summer. Like, one thing about me growing up, my dad, he always made sure that I had my hair done for summer. But if you know about Fresh Air Fun up in New York, if you ever been to Fresh Air Fun, yo, leave a comment down below. Is it even still open? Like, that was the camp, yo. And then I remember not Mary J. Blige, Mariah Carey and Usher, they had a camp for older kids, like up the hill from the camps that I went to, because I stopped going to camp. I didn't make it to go. Like, once I became a teenager, I didn't want to go anymore. So, and then I think my cousins stopped going. So when my cousins didn't go, I was like, I'm not going, because shoot, shit be popping off, and I need to know I could go to another cabin and get my cousin real quick, pop off. But I've grown. Stay tuned, because I think with this video that I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a couple of clips together to kind of like get back into the groove, yo. I'm really trying to get into the YouTube program. I'm really trying to get 500 subscribers, and I need views. Like, I need to have 1,000 minutes views, I think. Subscribe to my channel. You don't even have to leave a comment. I would like for you to leave a comment. Let me know you came through. Okay, leave a comment, drop a like, subscribe if you want to share. I said I was gonna stop telling people to share, because I think that's just too much to say, and I feel like that's just too much pressure. Y'all be like, dang, I just liked it, you want me to share too. If you want to, it's nice, but if not, it's okay. Alright guys, so like while I was recording, I got my new intro sent to me, so I want to check it out right now on the camera. Let's see. Renee TV. Oh, I love it. I love it. It is so cute and simple. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Yeah. I love it. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head back in the house real quick. So I'm gonna show y'all how I tie my hair up. Hair like this. So I put this on. Not too tight because, you know, for what? I think this is still twisted, but I would usually like, well, I'll just show you. I can do it. Ooh, gotta be careful, okay? Because, you know, your nails could pull it and stuff. You don't want to do too much moving around. You want it to stay as nice as possible. All right. And then, ta-da! So if you ever want to know how to put on a bonnet with them big ass soft locks, this is how I do it. It's time to open some boxes. Dang. I totally got that later. Taking all of this, and then I still have to open this. So they must be going to do the verses together. We got a lot of money coming this year. I've been waiting for this right here. Hopefully this joint get high. I wonder if this looks so high heat.